How's it going, everybody? This is Shaggy. Welcome back to another unboxing, and today we're going to unbox the Google Home Mini. Let's get started. So they had an offer on Google Express, which you could go to express.google.com, where you can get $25 in Walmart e-gift card for buying a Google Home Mini. It was also on sale for $29. So I decided to buy a couple. In total, they came out to be $4, so $29 per Google Home Mini, $25 for the e-gift card for Walmart. So yeah, but this right here, this one is a different one. This one is the exclusive Coral Google Home Mini, which is exclusive to the Google Store. This came with my Pixel phone. So yeah, I got this for free when I pre-ordered the Pixel 2 XL phone. So yeah, this is awesome. The ones I got from the Walmart gift card thing was these two, the gift card promotion. So I got these Google Home Minis, and then we have the Coral. So I already have one. I have the giant Google Home, I guess you call it just the Google Home, and it's great. So these would definitely be a addition to the house. Put them in every corner of your house, in every room. They work as an alarm. If you have a question, simple Google search, they'll be able to do it. So let's go ahead and unbox the Coral one together. So let's see. So you can see this one is the Google Home Coral. Let's see if we could zoom into that. Okay, never mind. This one is the Google Home Charcoal. Alright. Let's go ahead and open this one up. So the promotion for the $25 gift card still applies until the 15th of December. So that's definitely some time to still have some time to get that done for a Google Home Mini at a very low low price. I'm trying to see if there's an easier way of doing this. I guess the bottom. So like I said, they work with a lot of awesome smart home appliances as well. I have the Philips Hue lights, so whenever I tell it to turn off the lights, it is able to turn off my lights. If you haven't heard about the Philips lights, I do have some videos that can be seen on them. guess you have to take the whole plastic off there. Alrighty. So here we go. It's a nice presentation. Let me go ahead and put these here. Put this in the front. Nice presentation of the Google Home Mini right here. Pops right out. I guess it was supposed to be meant to go like this. So it popped right out. This is the coral. Very nice. Definitely love the color, especially because it's exclusive to the Google Store itself. It's an even better thing to get it there. If not, you can always get it at Walmart with the discount there. So inside the box we have Let's Get Started, and then we have the Google Home adapter. And that is it for the box. So we'll power this up and program it in the next video. So I'll see y'all then. Alright.